Hello friends, is KRZ Orpan. Welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to reset motherboard BIOS without keyboard, so let's go. Sometime you can't go BIOS with keyboard because keyboard was disabled, or sometime you can't install operating system for BIOS problem. So you need to reset BIOS. Some modern motherboard have BIOS reset button. If your motherboard have no BIOS reset button, no problem. There are another way to do that. Your motherboard have CMOS 1 pot. First find it. There are 3 pin to reset BIOS. You have to connect 2 pin with jumper or a screwdriver, then turn on your PC. It will reset BIOS. Your PC will not turn on when you connected those pin. Disconnect jumper or screwdriver from those 2 pin, then your PC will turn on. So friend, this way you will reset BIOS. Thanks for watching. Please hit like if you like and hit unlike if you unlike.